Minasan konnichiwa. Today I'm going to explain to you how to play Trivial Pursuit, or in our case we're going to call it Hiragana Pursuit. If you've ever played Trivia Pursuit with trivia questions at home, it's the same theory. Let me explain the equipment first. So you have enough pie trays for 6 teams. You can choose to play with 6 people or have 2 people per tray to support each other, so that would be 12 people total. You have pie pieces. There are enough pie pieces for 1 of each colour to go in each tray when you answer that colour question. The first person to fill up their tray with 1 each of the colours is the winner. Or if you run out of time, it's the team with the most pie pieces. Over here we have your question cards. Question cards are correspond to each of the different sets of hiragana that we have, starting with the easy ones: red, blue, green, orange, yellow, and pink, which are the cards, big cards, hanging from the roof in the Japanese room. You can use your placemats to help you with your reading. You can look at the clues hanging above the Japanese room to help you. But the aim of the game really is for you to be reading. Lay the cards out in their piles so that the Japanese is facing upwards, because when you take it off to read it, the job is to work out how to read that. E. When you turn it over, there it is, the answer on the back, so don't be looking at the back. So, how to play. We all start in the middle here where it says start. I'm going to pretend to be brown person. Roll the dice. It says green, so I'm going to choose a green word to read. Asa. It says asa. Asa. Turn it over. Yes, it's asa, which means morning. You also need a normal dice to tell you how many spaces to move. So I roll my dice and it says 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Lucky me, I landed on a pie, which is at the end of each of these middle sections. You can only try for a piece of pie in your tray if you land on one of the pies. Otherwise, if you go in any one of these, land on them, you just read the corresponding word and then you have to try and make your way back to land on a pie, to try pie. It actually says pie in Japanese. These ones, if you land on white, it's a free turn. If you land on dark blue, I believe that was meant to be purple and we're calling purple pink. So dark blue over there corresponds to pink words, all right? So I landed there, so I'm going to grab myself a pink, and that's potentially so that I can win a piece of pie. So go over and it says this word, which is ebi. Am I right? Yes, I'm right. Ebi on the back. So successfully read my pie word, so I can go into the bag and choose a piece of pink pie, pop it in, and it's the next person's turn. Just say the next person only got 1, so they would only be able to move 1 space in a direction of their choice, and they would have to read the blue word. Eki. Okay, and then it's the next person's turn. Take turns going around in the circle. Have fun.